In this video, we will learn how to turn toggle targeting on and off in Fortnite. In order to turn toggle targeting on or off in Fortnite, firstly, all you need to do is head to the settings menu. To do that, press escape, which will open up your menu. From here, you can select the gear button to go to the settings menu. From here, you need to select the game bar from the top left hand side of your screen. From here, come to the left hand side and select combat. In combat, you will find toggle targeting, which can be set to on or off according to your preference. So targeting basically means aim down sight, and if you have turned it off, you need to hold to target. And if you have toggled targeting on, you can just press right click on your mouse and it'll target automatically until you press it again. So for instance, if I turn on my toggle targeting right now and hit back to the game, you'll see that I have just pressed a right click once and it is the aim down sight is being held, and if I press it again, the aim down sight is gone. So this is how you can change toggle targeting setting in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.